papunta Osaka. Sabi ko, Osaka na. Nakakabis ako ng komandante. Tapos siyempre, sabi ko, tumahotel, tatapad pa ako. Kasi aga-aga pa. So, it's gonna be like 20 minutes to go there. I'm in Osaka now. I dropped off my bags, and they're like strictly 3 p.m. Check-in. So I dropped off my luggage, and now my first stop is Nambayasaka Jingu, because apparently it's just near my place, so might as well go to the shopping now. Iyak ako, nahanap ko na yung gusto ng tita ko. Dito siya sa Namba City. I'm gonna have lunch now. Hindi na ako nakawin ako kasi pagod ako. And I'm so hungry. So I just went to the Namba City and got Uniqlo for my brother, my sister-in-law, and my tita. Yo, time to explore Japan again. Don't look at my aunties. I'm never going to Donkey alone again. Fuck that. I'm now walking back to my hotel after the damage. When I tell you the damage, ang laman na lang ng Gcash ko ay 700 pesos. Sa totoo lang. Tangin na, totoo nga, Donkey sa tourist trap. What the fuck? And like, I barely bought anything. But anyway, I still have cash. Good thing, nagtabi ako ng 10,000 yen. So, ayun, natira na lang ata sa akin ay 7. So, tatabi ko na yung 4,000 yen doon when I go to the airport. Hello, good morning. Today is the 27th. It's the day I'm finally going back home. Nakakain ako na sinigang. But anyway, I was having breakfast. I just bought this at 7-Eleven. So, ngayon, I'm gonna check out at 10:30. I still have an hour to stay here. So, I'm just gonna dry my hair, clean up, double check everything. And then, I'm going to the station kung saan yung train ko. Then, doon ko na iyon yung mga luggages ko kasi I still have to go to Muji, then buy some snacks. Hindi ko nabili sa Donkey kasi wala doon actually masyado yung gusto ko. Or hindi ko na siya naikot sa sobrang daming tao sa overstimulated ako sa katad na katawan ko. So, ayun. And then, we're going straight to the airport at 2 p.m.
one from stuff like that.